Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost settings. So while the vehicle's on, this will activate your front defrost, and you can also switch between the modes here. So this is your rear defrost, so that's off now. Your front one's now off. And for your front one, you can switch between different settings too, so if you want it to blow up on the glass, as well as say maybe towards you and your feet, you'd have all these lit. If you just want it to blow on the glass, you just have that lit. And then you can control your temperature if you want it to blow hot or cold. And even if it's blowing hot, you still might want your AC activated. Well, you can probably see that. But you might have the AC activated with the heat on, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air so it doesn't fog up the glass with the humidity. And then yeah, when you want it all off, just make sure these aren't lit up, so your defrosts are all off now. And for your rear, when this is on, the way that system works is there's some black lines through the glass if you can see it, but those are heating mechanisms, so when that rear defrost is on, it activates those, so they'll start melting any ice. And then, as I mentioned too, when the AC is on in the front, so let's say your front defrost is on and you've got max heat, just make sure this AC is lit up, so that's what will pull the moisture out of the air. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.